Welcome back. The second financial statement we're going to talk about is other comprehensive income. This is a relatively new statement because we want to measure not just the profits of a business as shown on the income statement, but we also want to disclose to our users changes in their economic wealth. And so this OCI, or other comprehensive income statement, allows us to do just that. So let's take a look at one. Here's the other comprehensive income statement for Home Depot and its subsidiaries, and notice it starts with the income statement's net income. That's why we always have to do that income statement first, because we need that number to proceed. We then add and subtract other items that increase or decrease the value of the company's wealth or assets. And what they include is if there's foreign currency translation. Home Depot is a global company, and so when they do their financial statements, they have to convert all those foreign currencies back into US dollars so they can include them in the financial report. Also, if they do any cash flow hedges, net of tax, those are also included here. Other things that you might find here is if the company owned a lot of available for sale securities, the market fluctuations of those available for sale securities, their unrealized holding gains and losses, are also included in this statement. And we come down to comprehensive income, which is trying to gauge the wealth of the company over time. So the key numbers that we're going to be looking for here is net income for the most recent year, which is ends February 3rd, which is 4535. Comprehensive income, which is 4639. And then why did the company grow? Well, it grew primarily due to foreign currency translation adjustments. That had the biggest impact. Let's try another one. Here's Google. So if I'm looking at Google again, I'm going to go to the income statement and I'm going to find net income, which is $97.37. Total comprehensive income is $98.75. Oh, you know what I did? That's not the most recent year, is it? No, that's not. So what I'm doing is doing a common mistake, because Google is the exception, and their most recent year is not on the left but on the right. So the net income for 2013 was $12,920,000,000, and its comprehensive income was $12,507,000,000, and you can see that it went down, didn't it? So what was the major reasons for it going down? Well, these available for sale securities, those are like stocks that you hold for more than a year or less than a year. And the stock market went down at the end of the year, around then, so their stock portfolio went down. This is the amount of impact that had. Same thing here. These are all about investments. So that's why it declined. The overall wealth of the company shrunk a bit. Here's Delta. Delta is very interesting. For 2012, we have net income of $1,009,000,000, but our comprehensive income is a negative $802 million. And the reason is there was a big change in pension and other benefits liabilities. Now, you'll recall that Delta and companies that have been around for a while have pension plans, which means they put away money so that when a person retires, they make a percentage of their highest year's earnings. And so if there's a blip in the stock market or anything, then the company has to put more in, put away more, save more, so that they'll have adequate resources so that when their employees retire, the resources are there to pay out the pensions and other benefits. So as you can see, because of these pension plans, it has a huge impact on the overall wealth of Delta Airlines and its ability to service its retiring employees. So that's interesting. Here's another one, Facebook. Oh, this is your self-reporting quiz. So let's see how you do in filling this out and figuring out reasons why Facebook's wealth increased.